What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how my team grew by over 80 members in only 3 days, okay? Now, in this video, let me just set up the camera here. What I'm going to be going over with you is a simple formula that anybody can follow to build their business using free marketing methods, and they can actually leverage this formula along with multiple other people. Last month alone, we had 10 members hit that 5K per month goal, and I want you to join us and build your business and potentially fire your boss in the next 90 days. All right, so I'm going to set up the camera here really quick. As you guys are hopping on, let me know in the comment section where you guys are from, and if you guys are watching the replay, please make sure hit that thumbs up button and drop replay below. I'd like to know who is actually watching this live and who is watching it replay, okay? So give me 1 sec, I'll set this camera up and then we'll jump right into this training. Alright guys, so I'm going to jump into this training here in just a moment. Let me just adjust this camera. I'm just going to pull up Facebook and send out some invites, okay? So if you guys are watching this live, like I said, please drop a comment down below. Let me know you guys are watching this live. But in this video, let me know if you guys can see me. I know my stream is a little bit delayed. It looks like you guys should be able to see me. But in this video, it's going to be pretty short and sweet. If you guys have any questions, hey Matt, how's it going? If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. But the formula that I'm going to be sharing with you is very simple, okay? So you have a product, you have a business, and you need to generate leads. Now, obviously, I'm going to break this down a little bit, but the process is simple. A lot of people overlook it. They think they have to go out there. They think they have to, become a guru. They think they have to know everything about the business, know everything about the compensation plan, know the ins and the outs of, every single fine detail about the business before they can start making money. Now, in all reality, this is 100% false, and it actually hinders you. The more you know about the business, the more you know about the product, the more you know about the compensation plan, because when it comes time to making a decision, when it comes time to purchasing a product or purchasing a training, whatever it might be, there's going to be a couple factors that come into play, okay? Number one, can you find any reviews of the product? Are the product reviews good? And things like that. And number two, the person that is sharing it with you, okay? Maybe you're searching it up, on Google or whatever it might be. That's where the product reviews are going to come into play, okay? So you want to make sure that you have a valuable product, something that, people are going to take, something that people are going to benefit from, and that is step number one, okay? Now, step number two, which is going to be the most impactful, and this is going to be the fastest way to make money, is to build a relationship with your prospects, okay? Now, building a relationship is not difficult. You can actually build a relationship without ever talking to somebody, okay? And you can leverage social media to do that. I do it on a daily basis. I generate new leads. I generate new sales to my businesses, to products that I promote, leveraging my Facebook profile. And for being a part of our team member, if you guys want to join our team, there'll be a link in the description or in the comment section, and you can set up a free account. You can shoot me a message and we can get on a private one-on-one call. Now, the private one-on-one call will be for executive members only, okay? But everybody, no matter what level you join at, whether you be the lowest tier, which is our builder, or you jump in at the executive level, everybody is going to get access to our free marketing system. They're going to get access to our free traffic methods, where I'm going to show you not only how to generate leads, okay? Generating leads is nice, but I'm going to show you how to actually convert those leads into buying customers, all right? You can generate 1,000 leads for your business, right? But if nobody purchases, if nobody joins, if nobody buys the product, well, those 1,000 leads are pretty much useless, okay? Now, this system, this team has made it very, very simple for you to not only sign people up, but to actually get them to purchase. Now, the way that they've done this is by laying it out in a very simple format, okay? Not only does every single person that join get their very own website, but every single person that joins gets the exact same formula, right? The exact same methods that we're currently using, our team is currently using to get new members to join. All right. Now, like I said, the process is very simple, and you're only going to need your free Facebook profile. Now, I'm going to show you in a 20-minute training how to actually turn your Facebook profile from a dead, personally used Facebook profile, or how to even start your own business profile, which is, what I recommend if you guys have lots of family and friends on your Facebook profile. I actually recommend creating another one which is solely focused on business, okay? Now, this is a very, very good formula, all right, to actually build your brand online, because like I said at the start of this video, the more people know, like, and trust you, right, they're going to buy your products, whether it be, whatever product it might be, whether it be a training, whether it be a product that you take, or a service, or a software, whatever it is. If you're sharing something, the people that know, like, and trust you are always going to join with you before they go ahead and join a business with somebody else, all right? Even if somebody else told them about it, if they know you're promoting that business and you've provided value to their life, you're going to, they're going to want to work with you, all right? So leveraging our Facebook formula is amazing, and the next step, the next bonus, which I really, really enjoy, is the team aspect, okay? Now, I personally have been marketing online for several years now, and I've gone through a lot of training. I've learned a lot of different methods, from email marketing to Craigslist marketing to social media marketing, all different kinds of things. And I'm always eager to learn from people who are having massive success and taking massive action, having massive results in whatever business it is. And in this team alone, not only do we have massive leaders like Robert Hollis on our team, who is a 100K member, but we also have some amazing members inside of our power team, all right? And these members are making upwards of $20,000 to $50,000 every single month. Now, these aren't income disclaimers. I'm not claiming that you can go out there and make $50,000 a month, okay? But what I'm giving you is I'm giving you a bird's eye view of the potential that you could see if you take action and if you go all in your business, okay? Now, if you guys want to join our team, if you want to leverage the success of our team, use our formulas, you can do that as well, okay? But that still does not guarantee your success. The only thing that is going to guarantee your success, now you might be wondering, why am I wearing a cutoff? But the reason I'm wearing this cutoff is because of what this says right here, okay? 24/7, 365 days, all right? Now what that means is no matter what, we are always grinding, okay? You're always hustling, you're always taking action, you're always you're always producing results, and by doing this is where you're going to see those massive numbers, right? This is where you're going to build your team to 100K. This is where you're going to build your team to 50K, all right, and higher. But it's not going to happen if you guys think that you're just going to click the link above, create your free account, enter in at the lowest level, and then the business is just going to grow by itself, okay? Now, everything is in place, right? We have our system set up. We have our free training set up. We have all the done-for-you follow-up. All you have to do is literally copy and paste a message in, send that to people that have pre-enrolled, right? And boom, you have new members purchasing their products, and you don't have to talk to anybody. The videos do all the selling for you. The system does all the selling for you. And in all reality, the products do all the selling for you. All right, we have 6 different nutritional sprays which you can choose from, or if you're living in the US and you want to start your own CBD business, you can choose our CBD products as well. But having both avenues in one done-for-you system, whether you want to promote CBD, whether you want to promote your nutrition, or whether you just want to promote the income opportunity, okay? Now, I want to put something into perspective for you guys. Now, understand this, okay? If I was to go out there and sign up 6 people, all right? If I was to go out there and sign up 6 people, and then I was to help those 6 people get 6 members, guess what? I have now created enough residual income, right? By being an executive member. You also want to make sure that you're locked in at the executive level, which if you guys want more information about that, just click the link below. All the information that you guys need is there. I'm not going to go over the compensation plan and things like that, but all I'm trying to give you guys is perspective, is bird's eye view of the potential, okay? Now, with only 6 members and 5 out of those 6 members actually getting qualified, getting their 6 members, you could create enough income to fire your boss in most cases, okay? That's going to give you roughly around a $5,000 per month income, depending on, obviously, you know, how much your prospects are purchasing. Like I said, this is not income claims. These are just perceptions so that you guys can understand the potential, okay? But I don't want you to just think small. I want you to think big, okay? So with 6 members, you could create enough income to fire your boss. Now, what if you went out there and got 60 members, right? Now, how much life-changing income could that be for you in your life, in your business, whatever it might be, okay? So, like I said, you guys are going to get everything you need, right? And for all executive members, I'm going to be giving a one-on-one private training call. I'm going to be going over the exact formula I've used to sign up over 80 members in the last 3 days, okay? Now, the best thing about this compensation plan is all 80 of those members, I didn't actually have to personally enroll, okay? About 50 to 60 of those members were actually placed in my downline without me talking to anybody, without me having to pitch, without me sending a link out or anything like that. Those members were actually placed in my downline, and now I can actually earn commissions from those people. All right? Everybody hates MLM, but guess what? You can make millions leveraging masses, okay? MLM, making millions leveraging masses, okay? So you can go out there, and as long as you become a team builder, as long as you focus with value, right? Learn a method, teach a method. Learn a formula, teach a formula. Learn and teach. That is the name of the game. That is all you need to do to be successful online. Okay? So if you are willing to take action 265 days or 24/7, 365 days a year, right? If you're ready to take action, right? I just worked a 8-hour shift and now I'm here building my dream, okay? Because I am willing to do what it takes to build my business, to change my financial future forever. Now, if you guys are willing to do the same, right, what I want you guys to do is I want you to click the link above. I want you to create your free account, and then I want you to watch the training video. There should be a training video once you log into your back office, and you'll also be receiving an email from me as well with some more advanced training as well, okay? So all you guys have to do to get access to our free marketing system, our done-for-you follow-up, our free marketing methods, and our private Facebook group is hit that link above and join our team. All right, guys? So thank you for watching. I hope you guys got some value, and we'll see you guys inside of the team.